Hello students, today we are going to study Mathematics Part 1 of Standard 10, Chapter number 2, Quadratic Equations. Earlier we studied standard form of quadratic equation and we identified quadratic equation in practice set 2.1. Today we are going to study methods of solving quadratic equations. In book there are three methods of solving quadratic equations. First, factorization method. Second, completing square method. And third, formula method. Today we are going to study factorization method. There are following steps to solve the quadratic equation by factorization. First, write the given equation in the form of ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. Second, find the two linear factors of the LHS of the equation. Third, equate each linear factor to 0. Fourth, solve each equation, obtain M3 and write the roots of the given equation. Now we will solve the examples from practice set 2.2. Question number 1. Solve the following quadratic equations by factorization method. First, x square minus 15x plus 54 equal to 0. Now this is already in standard form of quadratic equation. Now we will put factors of 54. So we will take 9 and 6, but the middle term is negative. Hence we will take minus 9 and minus 6. If we will do multiplication of minus 9 and minus 6, it will be 54 and addition will be minus 15. Hence, we will split the middle term. X square minus 9x minus 6x plus 54 equal to 0. Now, from first two terms, take x common and take minus 6 common from last two terms. Answer will be x into bracket x minus 9 minus 6 into bracket x minus 9 equal to 0. Now as both the brackets are same, so take x minus 9 common. So answer will be x minus 9 in one bracket and x minus 6 in another bracket. Now equate both the brackets to 0. So x minus 9 equal to 0 or x minus 6 equal to 0. After solving we will get x equal to 9 or x equal to 6. Therefore, 9 and 6 are the roots of the given quadratic equation. Now we will take example number 2. X square plus x minus 20 equal to 0. Again we will put factor of minus 20. So 5 into minus 4 will be minus 20 and 5 minus 4 will be 1. Therefore we will split middle term. X square plus 5x minus 4x minus 20 equal to 0. Now take x common from first two terms and minus 4 common from third and fourth term. So equation will be x into bracket x plus 5 minus 4 into bracket x plus 5 equal to 0. Take x plus 5 common. So equation will be x plus 5 in one bracket and x minus 4 in another bracket. After solving we will get x equal to minus 5 or x equal to 4. Question number 3. 2y square plus 27y plus 13 equal to 0. Now here we will multiply first and last term. So 2 into 13 equal to 26. So factors will be 26 into 1 equal to 26 and 26 plus 1 equal to 27, which is middle term. Now we will split the middle term. So equation will be 2y square plus 26y plus y plus 13 equal to 0. After solving we will get y equal to minus 13 or y equal to minus 1/2. Question number 4. 5m square equal to 22m plus 15. First we will arrange the equation in standard form. So it will be 5m square minus 22m minus 15 equal to 0. Now again we will multiply coefficient of m square and constant term, that is minus 15. So 5 into minus 15 will be minus 75. Factors we will take minus 25 and 3. Minus 25 into 3 equal to minus 75 and minus 25 plus 3 equal to minus 22. Therefore equation will be 5m square minus 25m plus 3m minus 15 equal to 0. Again, after solving we will get m equal to 5 or m equal to minus 3 by 5. Now we will take question number 6. 6x minus 2 upon x equal to 1. Now multiply equation by x. We will get 6x square minus 2 equal to x. Now arrange the equation in standard form of quadratic equation. So we will get 6x square minus x minus 2 equal to 0. Now again multiply 6 and minus 2, we will get minus 12. So factors will be minus 4 and 3. So minus 4 into 3 will be minus 12 and minus 4 plus 3 will be minus 1. So equation will be 6x square minus 4x plus 3x minus 2 equal to 0. Again from first two terms we will take 2x common, and third and fourth term nothing is common, so we will take 1 common. So equation will be 2x into bracket 3x minus 2 plus 1 into bracket 3x minus 2 equal to 0. Again 3x minus 2 will be common, and in another bracket 2x plus 1 equal to 0. After solving we will get x equal to 2 by 3 or x equal to minus 1/2. Question number 7. Complete the following activity to solve the quadratic equation root 2x square plus 7x plus 5 root 2 equal to 0 by factorization method. Now root 2x square plus 7x plus 5 root 2 equal to 0. So we will multiply first and last term, that is root 2 into 5 root 2. So answer will be 5 into 2 equal to 10. So now we will take factors 5x and 2x. So 5 2s are 10 and 5 plus 2 equal to 7. So equation will be root 2x square plus 5x plus 2x plus 5 root 2 equal to 0. Now from first two term take x common, and from third and fourth term root 2 common. Hence equation will be x into bracket root 2x plus 5 plus root 2 into bracket root 2x plus 5 equal to 0. Now again take root 2x plus 5 in one bracket and x plus root 2 equal to 0 in another bracket. So after solving we will get x equal to minus 5 by root 2 or x equal to minus root 2. Question number 8. 3x square minus 2 root 6 x plus 2 equal to 0. Now we will multiply first and third term. 3 2s are 6. Now factors of 6 will be minus root 6 and minus root 6. So minus root 6 into minus root 6 will be 6, and addition will be minus 2 root 6. So after putting values in the equation we will get 3x square minus root 6x minus root 6x plus 2 equal to 0. Now we will simplify the equation. Root 6 will be root 3x into root 2. So equation will be 3x square minus root 3x into root 2 minus root 3x into root 2 plus 2 equal to 0. Now we will take root 3x common from first two terms and minus root 2 common from third and fourth term. So equation will be root 3x into bracket root 3x minus root 2 and minus root 2 in bracket root 3x minus root 2 equal to 0. Now take root 3x minus root 2 common in one bracket, and again remaining terms will be root 3x minus root 2 equal to 0. After solving we will get root 3x equal to root 2. So x will be root 2 upon root 3. Hence, root 2 upon root 3 are the roots of the quadratic equation. Question number 11. 7m square equal to 21m. Now shift 21m towards the right hand side. So we will get 7m square minus 21m equal to 0. Take 7m from both the terms common. So we will get 7m in bracket m minus 3 equal to 0. So either 7m equal to 0 or m minus 3 equal to 0. Therefore m equal to 0 or m equal to 3.